What's up, guys? It's your girl Kels here, and we have another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. And if you're wondering what we're going to see on this here channel, let me tell you. We're going to see fashion, luxury, travel, lifestyle, and all around joy. Why? Because joy is life and life is living, and that is what we plan to do. Okay. All right. I am living for this. So I pre-ordered this bag. I've never done a pre-order before, but I pre-ordered it from Brandon Blackwood because I was so hyped about getting a gold purse, and it took forever. They're like, yeah, we need another week. We need another week. We need another this. We need another that. I said, baby, where's my bag? Okay, where is it? Why don't okay, let me just open it. Here it is. I'm not going to show you the front because my address is on it. Took forever. When I tell you they took forever and ever. And then my heart, I love you ever and never. I love you. Oh, it be heartbreak for me. I'm starting a band. Just kidding. All right. Let's see. I'm excited. This is their metallic collection. I don't know if you've seen the bags. I've only seen one person wear the gold one to Fashion Week. I think it was Brown Girl Chi. Ooh, if I'm wrong, I'm going to feel so salty, but I watch her and I like her. She probably has never seen me, but that's okay. Let's get to the bag. All right, here we go. Oh, she heavy. Oh, hello. Y'all okay? I just knocked you over. Oh, heavy. You guys so heavy on me. Yeah, she is, baby. I could do curls with her. Why? She is heavy. Okay, so this is the metal trunk in gold. I don't know if I got the small size or the big size. I don't remember. I think it's a small size, but we're going to see it together. I am so excited. I've waited so long. It's like an early birthday gift at this point because I've waited so long. Okay, so really quick. I just closed a show. I just did my first ever one-woman show. It was spectacular, artistically, chef's kiss. Everyone raved and is still raving about it. And so maybe this is like a congratulations on your first equity contract / your first one-woman show. That's what we'll just call this, okay? All right, so we have this thing here. What you got here? What is it here? Thank you for your, purchase. I was like, order? Purchase. I was like, what is this supposed to say? Okay, then we have a cleaning cloth. Okay, because I don't think my other one came with that, but this one maybe gets smudged. I'm going to open it right now. I think this one gets smudged. You got to, oh, she's thick. Thicker than a snicker. Oh, yes, honey. Yes, heavy. Okay. Oh, my God. I'm so, is she focusing? Girl, you better focus. Okay. Oh, my God. She's heavy. I am so excited. I'm a fan of Brandon Blackwood. This purse is heavy, Jesus. Because this box feels, oh, you know that new smell? That new box smell? Yeah, it has that. Okay, I think this might be the same size as my little tiny one, which I got as a birthday gift. Oh my God, I love this bag so much. And I'm so excited because I've been wanting a gold bag. And I was like, let me support a black designer. Oh my God, I just got to peek. I just got to peek. Okay, I'm sorry. Here we go. Let's make this a quick video, okay? Let's do it. Ready? Oh, you see the handle? Ready? Oh, she don't want to come out. Oh my God. Oh my God. She is wrapped to the gods, honey. She is saran wrapped, okay? You want her for lunch tomorrow? She is ready for lunch tomorrow. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I didn't even take the plastic off yet and I'm geeked. Oh my God. I love this little dust bag. Wait, maybe I could grab mine. I'm going to fall over. Hold on. Oh God, never mind. Things are going to fall over if I touch that bag. But it is the same size. I don't know if you can see from there, but like They're the same. Oh my God. Okay, let's unwrap her. It's like Christmas morning. I love Christmas. I love opening gifts. And I love my birthday because I also love opening gifts. Gifts are my love language. I don't know if I've ever said that, but they are. Especially if it's like something I actually want, not just like, oh, got you a thing. Like something that's thoughtful, you know? I'm like afraid to touch her. I don't want my fingerprints to like get all over her. Oh, I just took the back off. Oh my God. It's like, I feel like it's like gleaming right now in this light on camera. You know, I have a show tonight and I'm just out here lollygagging, but still. Okay, ready? Let's peel her off. Oh my God. Oh, honey. And she got her little feet on. I'm keeping her feet on because I know this girl's going to get scratched to the gods if I take her feet off. Actually, I don't know that. I keep my bags pretty well, but you never know what happens. Okay, how can I get this part off? So I'm going to take this part off now. Guys, I'm like sweating. I've been waiting for this bag for so long, and I'm just glad that I was able to get it because I know they were only doing pre-order, and I was like, oh, that means they're going to sell out. And maybe they did. I don't know. I didn't check back. I don't think it's on there. I've not seen it. But maybe these bags are like so expensive to make. They're like, we can't just make 500. We need to know who actually wants it. And they had a lot of different ones, like silver and a unicorn kind of one with purple and blue. But gold, baby, gold is my thing. You are gold. You are gold. I hope y'all headphones are not turned up too high in your ears. For that, I apologize. Oh. Okay, wait, I'm touching her and I don't, sorry, so it just popped up my voice thing. I don't see any fingerprints. Is this one of those like treated kind of metals and things where you don't leave any fingerprint? Let me touch her really quick. My hands are a little sweaty. No, not, can you see anything? Not really. Oh, like when I look like this, I'm like, oh wait, I think I could see a fingerprint, but like, and she's gone. Okay. All right, let's open her up here. Oh, I should take this plastic off. Oh my gosh. Come on, girl. Okay. Lift her up. Oh, she came off a little, okay, she came off easy. Okay. Open her up here. Let's take this off. And here's inside. She is little, but she is fierce. We got the little booklet. Okay. These little things to protect it. And let's see the chain, because I don't even remember what the chain supposed to look like. I think it's just a chain and not a strap, but I don't even remember. Yep, she's a thick gold. Oh my gosh. She's thick. I like her. Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh, she is gorgeous. Oh my God, can you, hold on. This is gorgeous. I know my nails aren't done. Don't come for me. I don't have time for that. I couldn't have nails for my show, so. Oh my God. Can you, wait. She don't want to focus all the way, but this is gorgeous. Oh my God. This is so beautiful and good weight. You know what would be so cool? Brandon Blackwood, because obviously you're watching this, right? Because why not? If this was branded, like, you know how Louis Vuitton and Chanel brands theirs? Not now, but like, you know, when you get even bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, because obviously you're big, but like when you get even bigger, you can start branding these. Branding them. Because like Brandon, okay, anyways. Let's put the chain on. Let's try to close this down. Oh, honey. Can I see how long it is? Y'all just have to bear with me for a minute. Okay, she a little long, honey. She all the way to my thigh muscle, my thigh meat. But that's okay, because most of the time I wear my bag like this. Because I love having a little top handle. Baby, she is fresh to death, okay? I think it could be, I mean, crossbody. It could definitely be crossbody, obviously. I know y'all can't see. Let me move my chair a little bit. I'll cover myself. But yeah, she's still on my thigh meat. So she's a little long. I will say she's a little long. I'm wearing something under my dress, so don't look at that. So yeah, this is my thigh meat. So my waist, my belly button, my like top of my hip, I guess, because technically your hip's up here, but like my hip, my like glutes, like side booty is here, and then my thighs start here, and so it hits here. This is like mid thigh basically. What do y'all think? Still works? I wonder if there's a way I can like wrap her a little extra. I don't know. Let me get close again. I don't know. She's a little long, but that's okay. We can manage. We can deal. There's no way to really wrap her, I don't think. Like, I could tie me a little knot in it, and hold it. Boom. Okay. Look, and that's a whole. Look at that. And that's kind of cute. It looks like a whole thing. There's ways around the length. I would say maybe this is meant for a very tall girl, because I don't think this bag is the strap is as long. Yeah. So, yeah, my only note would be to like make this a little bit shorter. But the purse is pursing. Did you get to look at her? Look at her closer. She is pursing. Okay. She is here. Like, she's a showstopper with some gold heels. I got my gold heels. I'm going to have to wear this on my trip. I don't know with what. Oh, I do know with what. I know with what. Yes, honey. Okay. So tell me if you knew that. Sorry, I'm like excited. Did you know that Brandon Blackwood launched a metal collection? That's number 1. Number 2, did you pre-order it? Number 3, would you? Are you mad you didn't? Are you mad you didn't know? Or you're like, no, I knew and I didn't pre-order it because I don't care and I don't like metals, or I don't need a bag. I mean, who needs a bag? But, or I don't want a bag, or I don't want a Brandon Blackwood anything. I don't know. Like, I want to know, because I want to see which girlies are like, yes, give me the bag. Let's wear it. Let's be twins. And which girls are like, nah, I'm not really here for it. Discuss. Fight in the comments. No, don't fight, but discuss. And at least let me know, because I want to know. Oh my God, you're so cute. I love her. Hey, girl. Da, 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 da. Sorry. Anyways. All right, guys. I have to go to work because I have a show tonight while I'm sitting here. So yeah, that was my Brandon Blackwood unboxing. Short and sweet, hopefully. Again, let me know down below your thoughts, if you knew that he had a metallic collection. If not, would you get it? All that jazz. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it is free, and also share with a friend because sharing is caring and I would appreciate it. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.